I'm gonna start with my coffee, and then we're gonna do a little makeup look and a hair refresh, and then I'm gonna head out the door because I've got some bridesmaid things to do this week. So I'm gonna set you guys up right here. And I'm going to sip my coffee and do some makeup right now. So I'm just going to do something super light and natural, and we're going to use the new L'Oreal Skin Paradise Water Infused Tinted Moisturizer. This is what the packaging looks like. I love this packaging with the water droplets on it. I don't even know if you can tell on camera, but I just think it's so pretty. And I do want to say this portion of the video is sponsored by L'Oreal, which is so exciting, you guys. I can't believe I'm working with L'Oreal. I'm also just so excited to share this with you guys. It comes in 12 shades, which is so good for a tinted moisturizer. I feel like they used to never come in a lot of shades. So I love that this one comes in 12 shades. And the formula is really lightweight, but the coverage is buildable, so every shade works on different skin tones. Like I have the light 01 and light 02. I'm gonna go in with the light 01 right now because I am a little pale, and I'm actually gonna apply this with my fingers. I'm gonna shake it up a little bit because I like to do this, and I like this very precise tip so that it doesn't make a mess. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. So we're just gonna squeeze some out like that. I have a mirror right here, but I also want to show you guys on camera. So I'm going to literally just rub this together in my hands and start applying it. I'm also going to apply it under my eyes because I don't want to do concealer today because I just don't need that much coverage. I just want to do something really lightweight. And as you can see, it just like evens out my skin tone, but you can build the coverage a little bit. But I just love the texture of this. It's definitely a natural finish. It's not like matte or super dewy. It's just like a natural. I'm gonna cover up that little spot there. And this has makeup and skincare benefits, which I'm always down for that. Get this hair out of my face. You guys, this coffee is so good. If you haven't seen my tutorial over on my Instagram Reels, go check it out. Like I said, I just love how that evens out my skin tone and doesn't give me a crazy amount of coverage where I look cakey. It looks so natural. Like I couldn't tell that I have anything on my skin right now. So I'm going to use a little bit of blush. We're going to use the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Blush in the shade Precious Peach. This is just like a nice warm tone shade. I'm just gonna go in there and just apply a little bit of blush. Just to warm up the face a bit. Sorry guys, I'm gonna try to center the camera on me just a little bit more. So I'm going to run this L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper Brow Gel Mascara through my brows. I'm not sure if you can get this anymore, but I've loved this for a long time, so I'm trying to use this viewfinder as my mirror. So there we go, just some nice lightly filled in brows. I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna need my mirror right up close for this. And then we're going to grab my L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara. This one is in Blackest Black, which is my favorite for sure. I like a really black mascara. So there we are, some nice voluminous lashes. And I'm gonna use, for my lips, to finish it off, the L'Oreal Lip Dew in, which one is this? I'm not sure the shade. I'll try to find it and link it down below, but this might not be available anymore either. This was their Havana collection with Camila Cabello. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on my lips for a dewy little glow. Oh, it smells and tastes so good, you guys. And I love how lightweight this is. It's almost like a lip balm. Okay guys, let's bring you over to the window and show you my little makeup look. So I just love that with this I don't need any concealer because it just like evens everything out and my skin just looks so natural. My makeup routine has just been so different now than it used to be. Like I just go for the more lightweight, natural looks, and this is perfect for that. So you can get the Tinted Moisturizer on Ulta, and I will have it linked down below in the description box. But we're gonna do a little hair refresh. Alright guys, since I need to get out the door, I'm going to use my diffuser. And I'm also actually not going to put product in my hair, but that's not because I don't have time. It's more because my hair doesn't really need it. I was at my sister's the other day, and I didn't have my oil to scrunch out my crunch after my hair dried. So we were watching The Bachelor, of course. So I had to use her Inner Sense foam. It was like a styling foam. And it was a little too much for my hair. Her hair is also curly, but it's more like 3A. Sorry guys, I'm like out of breath because I ran across the house, but her hair is like 3A. So she loves the Inner Sense products. That's what she uses. So I used that on my hair, and it was just a little too much for my waves or something, because I can like feel that product texture when I touch my hair. So I don't need any more product in my hair. So I am just going to spray my hair with my water bottle or my little water sprayer, and then we're going to diffuse just a little bit. But I'm just going to scrunch that product into my hair, or that water. Sorry guys, I didn't put any product in my hair, just water. But my hair is pretty damp, so I'm going to diffuse a little bit. And I might use like light heat, not too much. We'll put it on low heat. Honestly guys, this is just how I like to diffuse. You can hover diffuse too, or whatever method you use. I just like how this like scrunches up my curls, but I don't turn it on until I have all my hair up in there, and then I turn it on, and then I turn it off before I take it back out, if that makes sense. Crazy. My hair dries pretty fast when I have it just a little bit damp and use the diffuser. So I'm gonna shake out my roots a little bit. We didn't really put any product in the hair, so I don't even feel like I need to scrunch really, to be honest. I don't want to cause frizz right now, and I feel like I have pretty good volume. So I think we're just going to leave it at that. Just a quick, easy little refresh when my hair wasn't doing too bad anyways, but it just needed some definition. So alright guys, my hair and makeup is done. I am going to drink the rest of my coffee, and then I'm going to be out the door. And I'm not sure how much I'm going to vlog, but we shall see. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Getting ready to do some makeup. Hi guys, so I'm sitting in my car right now. I didn't end up filming any more after yesterday. I was just busy and working on some stuff. So today I was shopping a little bit with my mom and sisters, and I just got home, so I apologize if the lighting is bad. I'm gonna go inside and do some cleaning because my house is a mess, and Marlene is coming over tonight because I'm doing her nails for her wedding, which she's getting married on Saturday. That's kind of the stuff I was doing yesterday, makeup trial, bridesmaid stuff. So I am doing her nails tonight, and she's gonna be here before long. So I wanna go in and do a little cleanup, so I'm gonna do a little time lapse of that. So stay tuned.